More about code. Again, code is just step-by-step instructions that humans write to teach computers how to make things like animations, apps, and games. But you may be wondering, what does code look like? Code is written in special languages called programming languages. Programming languages are like any other language, i.e., English or Spanish. But instead of using spoken and written words to communicate, like you said people, programming languages are used to communicate code instructions for computers. Programming languages look like a combination of regular words, special symbols, and simple math. There are lots and lots of programming languages out there. For example, JavaScript is used to make websites. Python is used to create software for robots. And C++ is often used to write instructions for electrical appliances. Once you learn how to code in one programming language, it becomes a lot easier to learn others. What is code writing? Code is written inside our applications called code editors. The code editor takes our instructions and translates it into a series of electrical signals that the computer can understand. Finally, the computer takes our translated instructions and does the amazing things we wanted it to do for us in the first place. If this happens, then do this action else. Do this other action. What is Scratch? Code is written in special languages called programming languages. We also know that we write code inside of special apps called code editors. Scratch 3 is both a programming language and a code editor. The Scratch language is made of special blocks that each represents one command that we can use. The Scratch language is made of special blocks that each represents one command that we can use in our list of step-by-step instructions. We connect these blocks together like toy bricks. Different blocks let us do different things. For instance, there are blocks that control motion, blocks that can control sound, and blocks that can control using the appearance of stuff that we see on screen. By using a combination of these code blocks, we can create truly incredible projects. Is Scratch real coding? Some people think that Scratch isn't real coding because it uses blocks instead of typed instructions. And these people are misinformed. Coding in Scratch is just as real as coding in Python. It requires all of the same skills too: logic, organization, and attention to detail. Scratch, the code editor. Scratch is also a code editor, a place you write and edit code. A layout takes a little bit of getting used to. But once you know your way around, you'll learn to love how easy and colorful it is to code in Scratch. Block palettes. All the code blocks in Scratch are organized by their proposed in the block potential. Just click on the colored dots to see different code blocks. Code blocks. These are the instructions you will use to create your projects. To use a code block, simply grab it with your finger or your mouse and drag it into the editor. Extensions. Add exciting new extensions to your code. We'll cover these soon. Editor. This is where you will arrange your step-by-step code blocks. Upper profile. In just a few pages, you'll create your own Scratch account. This drop-down will let you access your user page. Change view. Make the stage full screen when you are ready to show off your project. Sprite. Sprites are the actors in your play. These are the objects that can be encoded to do basically anything. Green flag, stop sign. These buttons stop your code from running. Scratch stage. This is where all the action in your project will take place. Think about the stage like the screen on a handheld video game console. Backdrops. Backdrops are basically just decoration. Think of backdrops like your wallpaper on your Codebuster's desktop on the tablet home screen. Add sprite. Click this button to open a library of thousands of pre-designed sprites that you can add to your projects. Add backdrop. Click this button to open a library of dozens of pre-designed backdrops that you can add to your projects. Scratch the community. Now we know that Scratch is not just a programming language made up of code blocks, but also a code editor where we can create our own projects. But did you know that Scratch is also a worldwide community of millions of people and kids like you? This is one of the most amazing things about Scratch. You can share, collaborate, and connect with kids all over the world. Feature projects. Scratch allows you to share your projects with the world. And every day, the Scratch team features dozens of projects that they think are interesting from kids just like you. Remix everything. Scratch also allows you to see projects that other people have shared. Not only can you play with the games and animations they created, you can also see the code they used to make them. To remix a project, first click See Inside on the project you like. That will take you to the project's code editor. Next, in the top right corner, click Remix. Best of all, you can remix almost any project on Scratch. When you remix a project, you create an identical copy of that project and all of its code, allowing you to change or add any code that you like. Create a Scratch account, part 1. Grab a computer or tablet. It's time to get started with Scratch. Grab a computer and follow the steps below to access Scratch. You need an adult help to complete this part, so ask one to come over and help you. Open a web browser like Google Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. And in the URL bar, type in Scratch-Edu Education. And the top right corner of the Scratch homepage, click Join Scratch. Join Scratch. It's easy and free to sign up and Scratch account. Choose a Scratch username. Choose a password. Confirm password. Type in the current username that you use. Remember. Type in a good password you'll remember. Then type it again. Click Next to move on. Create a Scratch account. Part 11. Part 2. Select the birth, month, year. Choose your gender.
Đấy mà.
Choose your country. Join Scratch. Your responses to these questions will be kept private. Why do we ask for this info? Birth menu. Gender. Country. 10. Click Next to move on. Keep your information safe. Scratch is very secure and very trustworthy website. However, you should always think twice when you are asked to give away information that identifies you, like your name, address, or when you go to school online. Remember, your information is valuable. Don't just give it away to any site. Create a Scratch account. Part 3. Join Scratch. Enter your parents' or guardian's email address and we will send them an email to confirm this account. Parents or guardian's email address. Harmful email address. Receive updates from the Scratch team. Parents, enter your email address. Click Next to move on. Scratch will have sent you an email to confirm your child's new account. Log into the email account, find the confirmation email from Scratch, and click Confirm my email address. Please confirm this email address by confirm my email address. Woohoo! You create your very own Scratch account. You can now create, save, and share coding projects with the world.
Thank you for watching.